Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted videos, photos in WhatsApp. So guys, I'm going to show you two ways. So for the first one is just simply by checking your gallery. So just open up your gallery into your phone, and from here just tap on the three dots over here. And from here just simply check your trash. You should be able to see here your deleted videos or photos in WhatsApp. So the next method that you have, go check your cloud backup. So guys, if you are using an Apple, just simply go to your iCloud backup. But guys, if you are using an Android, just simply go for your Google Photos. So now let's open the Google Photo. And from here, guys, if you are lucky, if you back up your files and videos, you should be able to see here on your Google Photos or your cloud backup. And that's simply about it. Try checking your cloud drive and you should be able to recover it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!